Greetings, my name is Tierno Sow, and here are a few tips for setting up an interactive notebook. The interactive notebook is a great tool. The purpose of it is to help students be more organized in their learning and then take ownership of their learning by themselves. But also, the interactive notebook is a great tool for teachers. It's going to help not only teachers be more organized and tracking the student learning, but also in differentiating instructions, because not all students learn the same way. This is an example of an interactive notebook with a cover page with the student's name. The first page of an interactive notebook is like the author page, where a student would write their name, things that they like music, scholars, sport. All this stuff is just for them to take ownership, to make sense of their learning. Also, they will have a goal page in which they will write 3 main goals for them to go through the year. So for example, this student's goal is to make straight A's. That's his first goal. The second goal is to meet new people, but also the third goal is to pass the 6th grade level. One of the most important part of the interactive notebook is the TOC, table of contents, where the student will write the date, the lesson of the day, the ticks, and then the page numbers. Also, one of the most important part about interactive notebook is like you can see, there is a teacher side, the left side, and then a student side. The teacher side is where the student will take notes. On the right side, student will take ownership of their learning by making sense of what the teacher taught that day. It might be a graphic organizer like this one, a foldable. It might be drawing, because some students like to draw. So this student use different objects to compare metals and non-metals. This is how he makes sense of the lesson about the periodic table and how he will compare the metals versus non-metals. Since students have different learning style, no two interactive notebooks are the same. So you can tell using these two interactive notebooks. The INB of these students are not the same. So this is a way to show how important the interactive notebook is and how personal it can be from a student to another one.